Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select or change the theme of the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the settings option down below and then tap on the theme option, which is the third one. Now as you can see, it's set to the system default, but you can change it to the light or dark theme. So first you need to press the button OK in order to update the theme of the application, and as you can see it has been updated, so the theme is set to the dark one. If you go back, you can set it to the light one if you prefer that one. So you can select from these two options. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.